Hi friends, let us look at some of the important news. My name is Dinesh Hari and I will bring everyday news for all of you. As of yesterday, 58,286 new corona cases reported all over India. Total number of cases was 7.95 lakhs. As of yesterday, 26.55 crore Indians got vaccinated. This continuing decline in number of cases all over India, this was mainly due to the lockdown which was announced by many states for last couple of days. 5 states which still account for 50% of the cases are Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and Karnataka. In Mumbai yesterday, 666 new cases were reported. There is continuing decline in number of cases in Mumbai also. Ending uncertainty over the result of Class 12 board exams hit by the COVID-19 pandemic, the CBSE informed the Supreme Court on Thursday that marks for the theory component will be calculated according to 40-30-30 formula on the basis of result of class 12, class 11 and class 10 respectively. Practical and internal assessment component of the student will be assessed according to the actual marks submitted by school to CBSE. Result of CBSE is likely to be announced by July 31. Information Technology Indian body NASSCOM on Thursday informed that 5 leading information technology companies in India will recruit over 96,000 employees during the current year. This will give boost to employment in India. Delta variant infection doubling every 11 days in England. Funds parked by the Indian individuals and firms in Swiss bank jumped to over 20,700 crore in 2020. Increase in household and medical expenses in the second wave of pandemics are likely to have impact on consumer demand, and this will also delay the revival in private investment cycle, said TV Narendran, the president of CII, that is Confederation of Indian Industries. CII is also therefore calling for fiscal stimulus of around 3 lakh crore, which is about 13% of the GDP of India, to make sure that demand revives. And to fund this deficit, RBI needs to expand its balance sheet. The stimulus can be channeled to direct cash transfer to vulnerable people, short-term cut in GST, and lower duties on fuels. Indian stock market continuing its decline yesterday on profit booking, and BSE Sensex closed 179 points below the previous day closed and closed at 52,323 points. Rupees also declined against dollar, and $1 was equal to 74.08 rupees. State-run Power Grid Corporation of India announced net consolidated profit increase of 6% to rupees 3,526 crore during the last quarter of 2021. This is Dinesh Haria signing off.